video is going to be about Diwali. Namaste beautiful people, this is Saloni here, and our today's video is going to be about Diwali. So most of you all might be wondering what should I wear for Diwali, and I am going to give you different tips and tricks for how you can style yourself for Diwali. So this video is going to be about last minute Diwali outfits, and we all might be having so many basic clothes which we can convert into a very stylish way. So personally talking, I actually don't have a lot of traditional wear, but I have got so many amazing and basic pieces from my sister and my mama's wardrobe. So our first outfit is going to be very classy, but it is going to look very amazing. So I'll show you the first outfit. So for our first outfit, we are going to wear these khaki pants, and these pants also have silver flowers on the bottom of it. I'll show the picture right over here. And for the top, okay, so if you have a khaki kurta, that's amazing. I actually don't have a khaki kurta, or maybe if you have a golden or pastel color blouse, even that's great. So what I'm going to do is, I actually have this glossy party wear top, so I'm going to pair this one with the pants. So I'm actually going to tuck it like this, and I'm going to convert it into a crop top. So we are going to tuck it inside our bra, so it's going to be like this. And now our whole outfit is looking very whitish and off-white, so to give it a very different touch, we are going to pair it up with a very bright and colorful dupatta. So for the dupatta, I am going to pair it up with a red dupatta. This is like a very bright dupatta, and it also has a silver thing right over here. So this is the bright dupatta, and if you want, you can also wear it with colorful dupattas. It will also look amazing. And about the accessories, so I want to tell you something. I recently created a video for you all on how to create cheap and easy DIYs at home. So I know there are a lot of girls who are wondering that I have my outfit, what accessories should I pair? For that, I have created a very new video for you all, and you might be having a very old blouse with you which might have pretty latkans with it, or you might be having a very old dupatta and you might be having amazing latkans for your dupatta. So we can convert all those latkans into an accessory. Can you really imagine? So I'll share the link right here. So you'll see a popping link right here on the screen right now. So that's the link for how to create cheap yet easy DIYs at home. And trust me, we all can create all these easy DIYs at home. So the one which I'm going to pair it up for this outfit is this one. So I have made this one with a latkan. You see, it is looking so pretty. And now moving on towards our second outfit. So for our second outfit, again we are going to pair it up with the same pants. So these are the pants which we paired it up, and with that I'm going to pair it up with a black kurta. So you might be having different color dupattas, you can pair it up with any color. So this is like a very plain black kurta, and I got this one from my mama's wardrobe. So you have to just pair it up with a very pretty dupatta like this. So it has golden and black and white patterns on it. You see, it is so pretty. So your dupatta can actually give a very different touch to your whole outfit. Go watch that video, you'll get amazing tips and tricks on how to create easy accessories at home. And moving on towards our third outfit, so we are going to pair it up with a lehenga. So this is the lehenga, this is a plain lehenga, and if you are having a golden blouse, then that's amazing. You can pair it up with a golden blouse as well. But again, as I told you that, just a sec. Yeah, so again, as I told you that this video is about with basic clothes we have to create different outfits. And if you're new to my channel, I want to tell you that my channel is all about how to look stylish with few clothes. So again we are going to pair the same top with this lehenga. So this is the top, and now the whole outfit is like a little bit plain, as you can see it over here. So what we are going to do is we are going to add a layer of very bright dupatta. So this is the dupatta which I'm going to pair it up with this whole outfit. So this dupatta has white patterns and this is looking so classy. Also, if you have lehenga and you want to style your lehenga in very different ways, don't worry, I have created a video for Diwali on how to create one lehenga in 10 different ways. So I'll put the link right here. And yeah, that video is also amazing. You'll get different ideas about how to create one plain lehenga in so many different ways. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So we are done with the third outfit. Moving on to the fourth outfit. So I know that there are lots of girls who think that, okay, I don't want to wear a lot of traditional. Girls who love a little bit of touch of Indo-Western, so this outfit is perfect for you. So I'm going to pair it up with this baby pink top. Yes, the baby pink top. And my lehenga actually has baby pink and golden patterns on it. So this is the lehenga which I'm going to pair it up with this. And also, if you want, you can just accessorize it in a very different way. But I feel that you should add a dupatta. So if you want to wear it like this, it's pretty fine. But I am going to wear it with a dupatta. Just a sec. Yeah, so this is the dupatta. I'm going to wear it with a dupatta like this. So this is the dupatta, the same one which we used earlier. This was our perfect look for Diwali in an Indo-Western style. And I know there are a lot of girls who actually love to wear Indo-Western styles. So this outfit is perfect for you. Now, moving on towards our fifth and the final outfit. So this is the one outfit which is our fifth outfit. So I really like to play around with color combinations, and what I've done is, so this was a very loose, you can see, okay, just a second, give me a second, I'll show you. So this is like a very loose kurta which I'm wearing. I have brought this from my sister's wardrobe. So this is like a mehendi green kurta, and I've just paired it up with blue pants. You can see it right over here. The blue pants are actually looking so good, right? So the color combination, we're playing around with different colors. And with that, because my pants are actually blue, so I'm going to carry this dupatta. So it has white and white patterns in blue dupatta. So the color combination is really going. So the whole look is giving a very classy yet simple look at the same time. And about the accessories, again, this is the one which I created in my video out of a latkan. It's looking so beautiful, right? So you can also wear golden accessories, but I thought that my dupatta has white patterns, so I thought let's play around with silver accessories this time. So I'm just going to pair them up with one set of earrings, and then yeah, we are ready to go. And yeah, do check my other videos on how to create cheap yet easy DIY jewelries at home. And also I created second video which is related to how to create one lehenga in 10 different ways. And I'm sure you're going to love creating all these different looks for Diwali. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if this video has been of any use to you, please hit that like button and do let me know in the comments below which outfit style was your favorite. And if you're new to this channel, I want to tell you something. Come closer, come here. Okay, so let's be a family together. Let's create new styling ideas. Let's create new tips and tricks. Let's learn how to create easy DIYs together, because I love to share all these new things with you all. And if you're new to this channel, and if you haven't already, remember to press that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon, because this year I am dedicated to create daily videos to keep you inspired about styling, easy hacks, DIY, to make 2021 your best year ever. For now, bye bye, take care.